In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn history on or off in Google Chat and Spaces. If you want more control over how long messages stay visible in your conversations, Google Chat gives you a simple way to manage chat history for both direct messages and Spaces. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can make this change quickly and confidently. To begin, open Google Chat and go to your home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your recent conversations, direct messages, and Spaces all in one place. If you use Google Chat regularly for work or collaboration, this is usually the fastest starting point for making any conversation level setting changes. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the chat you want to manage. This should be the direct conversation where you want to turn history off. Opening the correct chat first is important because the history setting applies to the specific conversation you're currently viewing. After the chat opens, look near the top of the conversation window for the drop-down next to the contact's email address. Click that drop-down to open the conversation options. This menu contains settings related to that direct chat, including the history control. From the drop-down menu, click Turn Off History. As soon as you do that, the setting will be updated for that conversation. If you ever need to reverse the change later, you would return to the same area and turn history back on. So keep in mind that the location stays consistent. Next, if you also want to change the setting for a space, go to the left-hand column and click on the space you want to manage. Spaces have their own history settings, separate from one-on-one chats, so you'll need to update them individually. Once the space is open, look at the top of the screen and click the drop-down next to the space name. Just like in direct chats, this menu gives you access to settings specific to that space. Then click Turn Off History. That will disable history for the selected space. This can be useful if your team wants conversations to be less permanent, or if you're trying to reduce message retention in a particular collaboration area. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn history off in both a direct Google Chat conversation and a space. Just remember that these settings are managed separately, so if you want the same behavior in multiple chats or spaces, you'll need to repeat the process for each one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.